What's up guys, and welcome back to Top Car Detailing. Well, here we fit all the ranges of Maxton design body kits to a wide variety of cars, and as you would have seen probably on some of my posts and that type of thing, and on my website we've got a page there now dedicated for that service. We're always working on fantastic vehicles, and you never know, yours could be one of them too. All you need to do is give us a call and we can facilitate your car here in our studio. So what we've also been doing this week is working on another fantastic car, the BMW X5. It's only a short video, this one, but just check out the Maxton Body Kit that we fitted on this car. Certainly looks the part now and will certainly stand out on the road. Or if you're looking to have your car detailed and you're thinking, I'd like one of them kits fitted too, we can put a package together specifically for you so you can have it all done in-house here in our studio. We also offer as well alloy wheel refurbishment for your vehicle once you're having your car detailed too, so we can send the wheels off, and that is another bolt-on service that we offer at Top Car Detailing. Anyhow, I'll not go on much more, but check out the video and I'll catch you later. What we did on the BMW X5 here is fitted these new side vents too in carbon fibre. They were all ceramic coated as well. Also the new wing mirrors caps here, as I said, they look quite cool. The diffusers too on the bottom of the car, same here, the rear diffuser, the top as well for the roof. We also fitted the new front splitter to the bottom of the bumper. Well, thanks once again for watching another video on our YouTube channel. As I said, we're always working here on nice cars and doing something a bit different, and we specialise here in body kit installations and car detailing. If you like any further information whatsoever on any of our car detailing services, check out my website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk. Anyhow, I'm going to have to go now, and I'll be back soon with more videos. Catch you later.